up guys, today we have the 5-liter sling bag right here and we're gonna unbag it. Roll the footage! What's up guys, it's Mike again, and welcome back to my channel where I help you discover things that will simplify your everyday life. And today we're going to be talking about this Peak Design 5-liter sling bag right here. Isn't it sleek? And yeah, I have a thing for bags if you haven't noticed on my channel yet. But why are we doing an everyday bag review in a room? No one carries their bag in their house. Let's go outside and test this out. What's up guys, now we're outside here at Tawasin Malls here in Vancouver and I'm rocking the 5-liter sling bag out here. So far I've used it for a day or two and man, it's been sweet. I have like back pain, but carrying this, I didn't feel any pain at all in my back. And also it includes this really quick access strap where you can lug it over right here right now. It's really convenient. The other thing is, when you get tired of carrying like this, you can actually turn it into a fanny pack. So what you have to do is that you just have to take the sling out and then put this part inside the bag and then clip it onto the bag. And now you adjust this and bam, you have a fanny pack, and it turns around really quickly as well, so you have really quick access to everything in your bag. And it looks really stylish so far, really modern, and people cannot tell that it's actually a camera bag. So it's really good to keep it inconspicuous and keep unwanted attention away. But again, this is just very quick first view because I want to actually use it for a bit and let you know the full details. So the full review is coming in the following week, so keep your eyes out. Remember to like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!